welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching about fall nail art December 2020. And the number one is fall gradient. Bump up a classic French manicure with gradient tips within the same color family. Nyan encourages nail enthusiasts and beginners alike to DIY this for themselves to make it easy for you. Snag one of these keep it tonal ombre nail kits from Nail. Number second, gold foil. Take home the gold literally with this French manicure with oh so shiny tips. Choose any earthy reds or oranges and paint a French using gold that foil will easily stick to or use foil gel. Los Angeles based manicurist Rachel Joseph says seal the foil in with structure, gel and top coat. Number next, classic neutrals. We love bright colors, but neutrals hold a special place in our hearts. They work for any occasions and also much match with moss clothes and pumpkin spice lates. You can achieve a look like this with a Mavi nude nail polish or press ons. Next, we talk about chrome bubbles. The advantage of negative space on your nails with a chrome bubbles looks. Nail artist Snoya Belhaf says that 3D and chromey nail art are both really big this fall. You can either use pre-made flat black bubbles or scrub using builder or hard gel to get create this look. Next we talk clayful. Warm brown orange hues are fit for fall. We love these ruddy clay color for the seasons to get this look. Los Angeles based nail artist Brittany Boyce says to file your nails into a cotton shape first before applying shade like Orlace, Red Rock or Canyon Clay. Number next, emerald encrusted. You are an absolute gem and you deserve nail too much to match. For a many like this, start with a almond shape